Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Sprig ultra clear tempered glass. This particular model product I have got for my ASUS ROG Phone 5. If you have been to my channel, then you might have seen the unboxing and the setup of that particular phone. So today we will be installing this tempered glass for this particular phone. I found this on Flipkart and you can get it for a very good price. Like here it is mentioned, as you can see here, it is mentioned as 999 rupees, but it comes around in 300 to 500 depending on that time of offer. Okay, so why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check it out what we get inside. So basically it is very different than our other videos like the Sprig and all. And I don't think that this will be that good as compared to the Sprig tempered glass and other costly tempered glass, but let's see and hope for the best and check it out what's inside. So the packaging is really nice. As you can see here, it had a very good cover as well as very good seal. And here, as you can see here, there is no seal here, it's just like push it out. Okay, inside the box we get the installation kit. For easy installation, download Sprig app by scanning the QR code below. So you can install the app also. You do have the Sprig app, and both sides the same thing. I think inside here it will be some and here is the tempered glass, I suppose. Yes, I'll use our installation app scan to model number. So basically if you have the app and if you scan this, and you will get the installation process how to do it. So let's check that out and scan this up. So this is my ROG Phone 5. Let's open this and scan this QR code. Okay, I get it. As you can see here, I'll tap it. It's opening the Sprig app. I'll install this. So as you can see here, it is now downloading and it's installing now. It's installed. We'll open this up. You need to enter the name and password and email address. Let me fill that part. So after entering the details, this screen pops up. So here, as you can see, it is mentioned that we thank you for purchasing your Sprig phone tempered glass. Let us guide you through the installation. Proceed with installation process. So we will select this. Here it is show where you have bought it. So I bought it from Flipkart. Please enter your screen guard model code. So this, my friends, as we had seen here it is mentioned here the model code. So we need to enter the model code here. It is 737 601. So we'll start installation. And as you can see here, it shows the model number, and this is the phone. As you can see here, this is the ASUS ROG phone, and transparent and everything. This doesn't matter that you have to open this on the same phone. You can use it on a different phone also. It shows the exact dimensions, tempered glass exact dimensions, and tempered glass thickness. Okay, noted. Proceed. So watch on YouTube or follow step by step. So whatever you want to do, you can go here. So I will go ahead with the step-by-step process. So this is the tempered glass installation kit. So we will open the installation kit here. Keep all this aside. Do remember, my friends, always I say you bring the tempered glass or buy the tempered glass first before the phone gets delivered to you. It's very helpful for that quiz. So the first step here is the installation guide. So installation kit. So we will open this installation kit here. Let me turn off all the fans and wash these hands and come back. So let's open this and check what's inside here. So as it is mentioned here on this here on the app installation kit, we will get This is the glide sticker, and this is the dust removal sticker. Okay, now we get a Sprig user manual how to install this. Okay, we get one alcohol cleaning wipe. So it is mentioned 70% of isopropyl alcohol. So we'll keep this aside, and we get one received damage particle. You need to contact this number, and you can ask for a replacement. Within 24 hours it will be replaced. So this is the thing, and this, my friend, is the Sprig guide. So this has a cloth installed to this edge, and you can use it to push any bubbles or anything that comes up while installing. So let's keep all this aside and go to the second step. There is no microfiber cloth. I don't think there is a microfiber cloth in here. Yes, there is a microfiber cloth here. This is a very small microfiber cloth here. Yes, it is a microfiber cloth and nothing else. It's totally empty. The quality of materials are really good. I feel it in the hand, and I feel here those are really good. So Sprig microfiber cloth, dust sticker guide, we got the alcohol cleaning wipes, we got the pressure pad. Okay, this they call it as a pressure pad. Proceed. So first of all, remove your old tempered glass. So I don't have any tempered glass on this here. Then next, use the alcohol wipe to clean this display. Okay, next, use this sticker, particularly this sticker, to remove all the dust particles. Tempered glass alignment. So align the tempered glass of the phone without removing the blue sticker, and use the alignment sticker on the sides of the phone to fix the position of the tempered glass. Okay, basically what you need to do, some people need this guide and some don't. So this is basically used to just you need to install this guides on top of the tempered glass to use it to install it perfectly, you know, and wait for 20 seconds. So basically we have to wait for another 20 seconds before going to the next step. So after doing that, you have to use this, align the screen guard, and press and slide in this way. Okay, so just press and slide in this way. Go next. Air bubbles, we need to use this to squeeze all that out. Then proximity sensors, check front camera, it is aligned properly or not. You can switch on the camera, check proximity sensor. Okay, yes, it's working. Use the finishing touch using the microfiber cloth or tempered glass. Installation without air bubbles. Okay, we have to give a feedback after that. Let's install this, my friends. First of all, we use this to clean this. Remove the case from the phone and place it on the Sprig cover, so it doesn't like you will save your back scratching the back. It is very helpful to do this. After cleaning it, we will use the to wipe off any of the dust particles here. Okay, very carefully wipe it up. Do remember to clean all this space before doing this, and then we will use the sticker to remove any of the dust particles on top of the on top of the screen. So let me skip this part. After doing that, do remember to check the display for any of the dust particles here. So as you can see here, it is totally clean here, no dust particles, nothing is here on top of this screen. Now place it perfectly and carefully remove the tempered glass out of the packaging. So as you can see here, here is the tempered glass. We very carefully remove it. Do remember to remove this protective film facing down, because if you do it facing in this way, the dust particle will go under the screen. So be very careful and be ready to put it on top of the display immediately. Do check it again for any dust particles on top of the screens for a perfect installation, my friends. So I see nothing here. It is totally clean. So we will remove this and we will align it on top of this display perfectly. So after aligning, as we had seen earlier, just touch it and push it in this way. So it is getting aligned all together, as you can see here. So if any part remains, we will use this squeezy and squeeze all that out. So as you can see here, the installation is really good, and since the display has curvature on this side, so this type of slightly it gets in on top here, but it's not regular. See, this side it is totally installed perfectly, only this side it is staying on top. So as you can see here, the installation is perfect. As you can see here, only this side is not correct. I don't think, it might be this particular display or this particular piece has some defective issue, but this tempered glass quality is really nice. I can feel it, it's really nice, and I hope it will give a very good protection here. You can see the cutout for the camera and cutout for the LED indicators are all on the correct positions, and also it covers the whole screen. There is no edge floating out or something. Only this is small issue. I think this is a particular variant or particular item that has the issue, but don't worry, my friends, all tempered glass won't be like this. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the Sprig tempered glass screen protector for ROG Phone 5. They also make tempered glass for other phones like Nokia, Samsung and other phones. You can search them on Flipkart. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You will get the links in the about section. Bye bye.